Look, a Texan song.
Yes.
So where are we going?
To Esterhazy.
Where is that? Is that near?
Yes.
It,
40 minutes.
14. And is
Yes.
it near Texas?
No. No, it isn't.
Okay. It's in Hungary.
No, it's in Darda.
All right, let's go.
Yes.
So we made it here,
Yes.
but I don't know where the castle may be.
It may be
Maybe there?
the other way, I think.
The other way. Let's see.
Oh, there it is.
There, let's go.
No quiero caer.
We finally found. Oh, the wind is so strong. No. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
Yes. But it's cold.
It is. I think we went downstairs. How are we gonna get out of here? Maybe
This
we can
way.
get through the hole.
Yes.
Let's try. Yeah. Actually, we found nothing here. This is just
Yes.
an abandoned castle. I thought that we were going to find something else.
Maybe.
Maybe not. Now we need to find Suleiman's bridge.
Yes.
Let's go find it. So it turns out that the bridge that we were looking for, the Suleiman's bridge, is actually not something that it doesn't exist anymore.
Yes.
Nope. Too bad.
It doesn't matter.
It was a rainy day.
Yes.